We'll guide you through how to share a Dropbox folder. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your account details if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Files to see your folders and files. Find the folder you want to share and hover over it. You'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click on this Share button. A pop-up window will appear where you can add the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. You can invite people by typing their email addresses directly into the To field. Make sure to select whether you want them to have Can Edit or Can View permissions. If you choose Can Edit, they can make changes to the files inside the folder. If you choose Can View, they can only view and download the files. You can also add a message in the Message field if you want to give additional context or instructions. Once you've added everyone and set the permissions, click on the Share Folder button at the bottom of the window. Dropbox will send an email invitation to the people you've shared the folder with, giving them access according to the permissions you've set. If you ever need to update permissions or stop sharing the folder, you can always return to the Share button and make changes. It's that simple to share a folder in Dropbox using the web interface. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.